I'm passionate about teaching law students to innovate and to problem solve in ways that allows them to make a difference in the world. That's what my Monash University class, Technology, Design and Innovation in Legal Services, better known as TDILS, is all about. TDILS places students in a position to change society by maximising their ability to problem solve and gives them the contacts and skills to effect that change. After years of being taught to think like a lawyer, TDILS takes a different approach. It teaches students to abandon the ways lawyers normally think and instead to think in a way that embraces an entrepreneurial mindset, a mindset designed for the tech and AI-driven society we are moving toward. By teaching skills not otherwise taught at law school like agile project management and design thinking, TDILS enables students to identify and solve problems in ways that work in the real world. TDILS connects students with leaders and change makers within society, and every class has a guest speaker from some aspect of the legal or tech industry. Connecting students in small class sizes with those that are in a position to change our society multiplies the prospect of effecting change. One former TDILS student returned as a guest speaker after being hired by one of the TDILS guest speakers from their own class. Others have gone on to effect change in ways that law and technology is used in roles within the public service, legal practice, and private sectors. In each of these roles, the blend of entrepreneurial, problem-focused lawyers with a change-orientated mindset has proved to be an essential catalyst for change. With the skills provided in TDILS and through the connections forged with guest speakers, TDILS places students in the ideal position to make a positive impact in the world.